Titans were a race of powerful deities that preceded the Olympian gods in Greek mythology. They were born from the union of Gaia, the earth, and Uranus, the sky. The Titans included 6 gods and 6 goddesses who represented primordial elements of the universe. They played a crucial role in the Greek culture. They were not merely gods and goddesses, but also represented fundamental aspects of nature and the universe. The myth of Titans has influenced art and mythology, countless stories, poems, music, and so on throughout the centuries. They mostly tell us how old powers yield to new ones. Each Titan has a specific role and symbol, often embodying various aspects of the natural world or human experience. Hyperion is the Titan of light and wisdom. He encompasses not only physical light, but also knowledge and enlightenment. In art and literature, Hyperion symbolizes the radiance of the sun and broadening knowledge it provides. Theia is the Titaness of sight and the clear blue sky. She symbolizes the aspects of sight and perception associated with light. Her myth reflects the interconnectedness of light and beauty, exploring themes of divinity, enlightenment, and the cosmos. Iapetus is the Titan of mortality and craftsmanship, often associated with the idea of human progress. His legacy endures as a symbol of the challenges faced by humanity in the quest for knowledge, power, and understanding within the universe governed by divine forces. Themis is the Titaness of divine law and order, representing justice and fairness. She is often depicted with scales. The legacy of Themis continues to resonate in modern legal and ethical contexts, with her symbolism still evident in contemporary representation of justice. Nemosyles is the Titaness of memory and mother of muses. She represents fundamental aspects of existence, particularly relating to memory and art, which are essential for the passing down of knowledge and tradition. Crios is the Titan associated with the constellations and the measure of time. His legend usually symbolizes the power of leadership. His ties to the elements reflect the ancient Greeks' understanding of the natural world and its impacts on human life. Another one of the Titans is Queus, who is the firstborn to Gaia and Uranus. Queus is symbolized as the Titan of intelligence and knowledge. He is considered the broader axis of heaven around which the constellations revolve. The legacy of Queus is the understanding and shaping of the natural world and its mysteries. Queus represents the wisdom found in the natural order and structure of the cosmos. His association with knowledge and understanding reflects the importance of intellect in ancient Greek culture. The name of Quos is often interpreted to mean query or questioning, suggesting that he embodies mental power and inquisitive thought. He is aligned with the eternal quest for enlightenment. This highlights his connection to knowledge and rational thought. Quos is often linked to the northern direction and the North Pole, usually depicted as a cosmic figure related to celestial navigation and stars. Quos fought alongside the other Titans against Olympian god Zeus and his allies. After a great victory, Zeus punished Quos and many other Titans by sending them into Tartarus, the underworld prison. This conflict marked a significant shift in power from the old generation of deities to the new order of Olympians. Quos married his sister Phoebe. Together they had two significant daughters. One was Leto, the mother of Apollo and Artemis, two of the most important deities in the Greek pantheon. The other daughter, Asteria, is associated with nocturnal oracles and falling stars. As the sister and wife of Quos, Phoebe symbolizes the bright light of prophecy and embodies lunar wisdom and the connection between the celestial and the earthly. The union of Quos and Phoebe represents the harmony between knowledge and light, further emphasizing their complementary nature. It also illustrates the importance of knowledge in navigating the physical and the metaphysical realms. Although Phoebe is perhaps not the most well-known mythological figure, her stories are quite fascinating. In addition, the role she plays in the stories of her siblings, children, and grandchildren makes her an important and exciting part of Greek mythology. As a lunar deity, she represents the cyclical aspects of time and the tranquility associated with nighttime. Your assignment this week is to pick your favorite Titan among the ones introduced here and learn more about their symbolism in Greek mythology. Begin seeing the world through their eyes and paint as if you are that particular deity. Paint your sensation, not an image in your mind.